Roman gladiators used to fight with swords to the death, and you're still scared to cold call. You're too scared to wholesale. Inaction is absolutely killing you. Really just think about this for a second. Like, your fear of getting started wholesaling is stopping you from having success. This is why you can't make any money. Understand that the reason why you're not having success is two main reasons. Number one, you just don't want to do the work. You're just not putting enough volume. I've been telling everyone forever, if you do 100 cold calls a day, you'll get a wholesale deal. Number two, same thing as number one, staying consistent, showing up every single day. Rome wasn't built in a day, but I will tell you this. Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every single hour. So of course, you can't get the success you want in literally a day, but you need to be laying bricks hour by hour by hour. I mean, like, look at this, hour by hour. Look at the sheer beauty of this. Like, how does this not inspire you? Like, if you ever read about the Roman empires, Marcus Aurelius, Augustus, Octavian, Julius Caesar, these were men of great change and great action. And someone, Hadrian, actually decided in the Flavian emperors, and again, I'm like a really big history nerd, so this is like amazing for me. But they decided they're gonna make this. And they were men of action, they went after it. You have to do the same thing. Julius Caesar invaded Gaul because he decided he was gonna do it. He was not gonna quit, and he went through with doing it. And the thing about being an emperor or, going out here and be a military warrior or gladiator is you show up. You don't show up when you feel like it, you show up when you have to do the work. Emperors went out here and decided that this is going to be built. And men and women went out here and died for this thing to be built. And then to fight, fight, fight. You do not become, you are not descendant from weak men. You're descendant from men that built this. You're descendant from men that battled every single day, fought plagues, diseases, all for you to be alive right now. And you just want to sit around and tell me that your life is difficult. Your ancestors literally just fought wars and battles every single day. Literally doing this stupid, crazy stuff. And you're complaining. Like, insane, okay? If you're watching this in America, your ancestors were here. They went on a boat for months just to get to America, then fought that, and then you're here. You are not descendant from weak men. You're descendant from men that built this. You're descendant from men that battled every single day, fought plagues, diseases, all for you to be alive right now. And you just want to sit around and tell me that your life is difficult. Your ancestors literally just fought wars and battles every single day. Literally doing this stupid, crazy stuff. And you're complaining. Like, insane, okay? If you're watching this in America, your ancestors were here. They went on a boat for months just to get to America, then fought that, and then you're here. Your ancestors used to fight in places like this and go to wars all the time and go out here and just battle, and it's the craziest hardships ever. And you could sit in your couch in sweatpants with pretty much free internet and cold call and make a ton of money wholesaling real estate. Like, what is your excuse? Like, why can't you go out here and do this? Here and attribute all of my success in wholesaling real estate just showing up every single day. No, I don't feel like cold calling today, but guess what? I ain't gonna cold call. I might not feel like texting, so I hired people to do it for me. But what if back in the day when I was 18, 19 years old, I didn't feel like cold calling? I did it. But guess what? I did so many cold calls that I made at least 10, 20 grand a month, where I started using that money from the stuff I didn't want to do to have people do the stuff that I didn't want to do at all. So I didn't like cold calling, but guess what? I started cold calling every single day until I made 10 grand a month, hired a VA to do the stuff I didn't like, then I was just closing. Guess what? Scale it up, make a bunch of money. But what you need to get started is start calling sellers. That is it. Pull a list, probates, water shut-off list, fire damage properties list. Bro, I literally just did a TikTok. I was in front of a Pantheon, pretty sick building. And I was just like, you know what? Let's just pull a probate list. And I made a little TikTok, pulled a probate list, got it skip traced, and boom. You could get a deal literally doing anything. Like, the line to get into the Pantheon was like 30 minutes. And within 30 minutes, I was able to pull a list of motivated sellers, get skip traced on X leads, and I could literally just be cold calling from Google Voice literally anywhere in the world with a VPN. Like, guys, the excuse is insane. Like, anywhere in the world, you just got to do the work. Young man, young woman, trying to get out started wholesaling real estate, virtual wholesaling. What should he do? First and foremost, just pull a list. At this point, it don't even matter. It just needs to be somewhat motivated. An AI list on X Leads would be pretty cool. Trying for dollars, reverse trying for dollars, code violations, fire damage properties, water shutoffs, pre-foreclosures. I personally like putting sticky notes on pre-foreclosures. It's really up to you. Just cold calling is going to be awesome. I recommend xleads.com. You can use True People Search, cyber background checks. I mean, really doesn't matter as long as you get the phone numbers and just get in front of them and call them. Eating a pastrami sandwich, some crazy Italian prosciutto thing. I don't know, it was literally amazing. And I'm just comping properties on my phone. Like, you can do it anywhere, make money anywhere. You just gotta start. You see, the point of why I can do this and the point where I can go wherever I want in the world and make millions of dollars is because I just started when I was a teenager. And I did not care about the cringe. I didn't care. It's kind of funny, you see a lot of people staring at me making this video. It's probably, I don't know, I'm outside, you know, whatever. But I'm telling you right now that the cringe of, you know, making a video, the cringe of how people view you in this world is, oh my gosh, why is he doing that? Why is he calling? It's so embarrassing he's doing that real estate thing. It's like, I mean, I make millions of dollars doing what I do. If I make this video inspire one kid who's going to send me a $50,000 wholesaling deal while I'm just chilling out here, pretty good ROI for me. Could care less. It's exactly the mindset you have to have. It doesn't matter what your family thinks. It doesn't matter what your friends think. It only matters about your results and your success. Because the secret is when you become successful wholesaling, your mom who says, you should have not done that. She's like, wow, I'm so happy you did it and changed our family's life. Wholesale real estate all over the world. I have plenty of team members working right now. Calls are being done right now. Texts are being sent out. Actually, no. I'm recording this at 12. It's like 4, 5 a.m., you know, in Florida. But in about 4 hours, everyone's going to start calling and closing sellers right now. The whole point of this is my whole team can work while I'm just chilling around the world doing my own thing. I recommend if you do vacation, Europe's probably the best thing because I can work literally at night. So I can chill out all day from like 10 to like, I don't know, 4 o'clock. And then it's like 9 a.m. in the United States of America at like 4 or 5 o'clock. So I can be done with the day and start working there. Point is, your inaction is killing you. And the only way that you are going to start making money is by taking action, wholesaling houses, calling, texting. You just have to take action. This is what I'm begging you to do. Your excuse, I can't do it because of this. I've never met a person who's put their all into wholesaling that hasn't become a success with this. I'm still out, you know, I'm hanging out doing my thing, wholesaling still, but if you're watching this and you're not taking action, like, wow, that's cool Zach's doing this. It's like, you could also travel and wholesale, but you could also get off your butt and start getting to work. So my urgent message for everybody today is just take action. That's the only thing that matters. And I don't care if this video gets 4 views, 10 views. If it hits the heart of one person who's just sitting around not doing the work, 100 calls a day. But what's your action plan? What are we doing? That one's pretty easy. If you're watching this video right now, that is my call to action. Okay, that's just what I'm asking you to do. 100 calls. I've decided on this rule pretty much in 2026 that if you want to go out here and make an excuse and you don't feel like wholesaling, at least you have a number quantifiable where you can kick and scream and cry, but you do the 100. That's the number, 100. It's like doing 100 sit-ups a day, 100 push-ups a day. Just cold call. That's all I'm asking you to do. 100 sellers, and I promise you, it's like the gym. The first 5 are the hardest, and then the last 95 are actually pretty simple. You know, the first 5 minutes of the gym, actually showing up there is the hard part. Then when you're there, you're actually gonna start doing it and having success. The funniest thing is, it's never the wholesaler that is the brokest that makes the most money. It's never the wholesaler that thinks they're working the hardest or the wholesaler that thinks they're suffering the most. It's just the wholesaler that does the most action. It's always the wholesaler that makes the most amount of money in this business. Your empire in wholesaling isn't gonna be built in a day. But again, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every single hour. So brick by brick by brick by brick. Buy one rental property from, you know, making your first $1 million wholesaling, make a bunch of money wholesaling, build another little brick there with another rental property, and you make $1 million a year net, cash on cash by just building up your net worth, buying rental properties, and then you can just, you know, travel the world and do whatever you literally want. So still on my honeymoon, want to make this video out because I feel like people just need to take action. That's it. And a lot of people feel like they're suffering this business. They feel like they have to hate it. Like you could really enjoy like an hour or two a day. Like you're gonna watch Netflix for an hour. You're gonna go watch YouTube videos for an hour. Sorry, most suffering is inside the mind. You know, if you cold call for an hour and having a good time, it's not suffering. Like I'm chilling out here, you know, Roman Forum's actually really kind of cool. You know, chilling out here for an hour in the Coliseum and stuff, and that's not suffering to me. For some guy, you know, that doesn't want to be here, this is suffering, the most boring thing possible, the worst thing in the world. For me, it's not suffering. For me, cold calling for an hour, doing a live stream, that's really fun. That's not suffering to me. But like sometimes you might feel like it's suffering. I could tell you is just do one call, then two, then three, then four. It gets easier and easier and easier. So my action plan for everybody watching this, and you know, I was thinking, you know, like people used to literally just fight to the death out here. Like you had a sword, there was a lion, there was 80,000 people watching you. Like crazy, like absolutely insane. And people still come to me and say, Zach, I'm so scared to cold call. How do I get started? What if someone says something mean to me? Well, what if you stay the same where you're at? Like, what if your income stays the same? Be gladiator, but they used to literally take people, okay, in a war, prisoners of war, throw them in the underground here, and then make them fight people tooth and nail to the death. Life's a lot better. We really don't have that anymore, okay? We're not taking people as slaves and making them battle to the death anymore, okay? They pretty rough. You had to go out here and be a farmer most of your time, and then you had to go to constant wars after wars after wars, and life sucked. You're watching I'm successful. I know I like to get all, you know, mindset crazy on you, but just show up, make the calls, do the work. You can see so many people and so much more testimonials than I can even show you. Thousands of freewholesaling.com of how you can get started in this business. Freewholesaling.com, actually go out here and get my free contracts, learn exactly how to call, deal with objections, talk to motivated sellers. Then number 3, through freewholesaling.com, I'll show you exactly how to go out here and find the cash buyers, get a dispo, make your money. Anybody watching this can go pull a list, lock up a contract, sell the contract, get rich, travel the world. Like, duh, it's crazy action. I don't mean, oh, this guy called 5,000 people and this guy called 100. No. It's actual offers made, because you can call 100 code violations and get a wholesale deal, and you can call 5,000 vacant properties and not get a deal. The guy that made the offer beats the guy that called 5,000 sellers. It's all about the quality times the quantity. Not all about quantity, not all about quantity. Getting both of them in. Now, a little cheat code I could tell you is if you're a lazy bum, I would get into some of the AI SMS we have on xleads.com. We're telling everyone about it for the scaling, but literally you can pull a list of 10,000 properties, send it yourself, and then from there, have the AI answer all the text messages for you, put them through the follow-up, and you'll get a bunch of deals. Guys, I'm still out, you know, I'm hanging out doing my thing, wholesaling still, but if you're watching this and you're not taking action, like, wow, that's cool Zach's doing this. It's like, you could also travel and wholesale, but you could also get off your butt and start getting to work. So my urgent message for everybody today is just take action. That's the only thing that matters. And I don't care if this video gets 4 views, 10 views. If it hits the heart of one person who's just sitting around not doing the work, 100 calls a day. That's all I'm telling you. Your inaction is absolutely killing you. And I want you to succeed. I want you to win. I want you to do whatever you possibly want. And telling you right now that the mindset of a champion, the mindset of someone who's actually successful in wholesaling, they don't look at the work or the struggle as a bad thing. They look at it as a part of their journey, and they look at it as one step closer to success. So every call you make, you're one more seller away from getting your first wholesaling deal and changing your life. So if you want to get your first wholesaling deal, start taking action, go to freewholesaling.com, and I'm gonna start teaching you how to wholesale real estate completely for free. So chill out here in Rome, a couple more days, and then I'll be on to the next part, which the next video series for it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, just take action. I'm begging you guys. I have made over 4,000 wholesaling real estate deals closed, and I've taught more people get the first wholesaling deal than anybody else because of one simple thing. I make the business simple, and the simple part of making money in wholesaling is just talking to motivated sellers, getting in front of them. If you get in front of motivated sellers, they actually do want to talk to you because they're motivated. Then you get a contract, get it sold. I mean, cash buyers want to buy deals where they can make money. So if you can get a deep discount, teach it all inside of freewholesaling.com, you'll have success. Guys, smash the like button, subscribe. I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.